Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on flash notifications in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for flash notifications options? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility, for our accessibility options menu. Then we have here advanced settings, and here we have our flash notification. So when we go in here, we have a few options. But what does this option do exactly? So we have short explanation here. Flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarm is sound. So we can choose our camera flash. We can have our preview. I don't know if it will be visible on a camera. Of course, we can customize it by changing applications that we need, or we can use our screen flash notification, and the same options are available. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.